Hi, I'm Kevin Creighton with AmmoMan.com. Today on the School of Guns, we're going to be talking with Jeff Street of Step by Step Gun Training about how to aim your pistol. We're out here at the lovely Lulan Gun Range out here in Southwest Florida, and Jeff's been a really good help for me as far as getting my pistol accuracy under control. We've already talked about how important the trigger is and how important it is to have a smooth, consistent press on that. But now we need to talk about aiming the pistol. So Jeff, what are the steps involved in aiming the pistol, and how would a person do that in a pistol bay like we have here at Lulan, or maybe in an indoor range?
You present the pistol, you look at your sights, you've got a front sight, you've got a rear sight. From your perspective, it's going to look like this.
Right.
And you want to line up the rear with the front such that the top of the sights is equal and the light between the front post and the side of the right side and the left side of the rear sight are equal. So it's called equal height, equal light.
Now that's something that, getting used to that sight picture, that's something you can do with an empty, a gun that they've checked a gazillion times and there's no ammunition in the room, what's called dry fire practice, and we'll talk about that later. They could do that at home. They can get used to how what their grip is, what their stance is. They can get used to that sight picture and what they're supposed to see long before they put any rounds downrange.
If they bring their sights up and they see it's really wobbling a lot, and then they change something about their stance or their grip, and it settles down a little bit, that's a clue.
Okay. So things that they would possibly change about their grip would maybe, I found out that I wasn't having my left hand here far enough. Then once I changed that, all of a sudden my groups just, came like that together. Part of aiming a pistol is that. There's also your stance. There's about 10,000 different ways to do the stances, but basically the fact of the matter is, if you feel like you're off balance and out of control when you're sitting there with your pistol, you are. So adjust your stance, move your feet around, bend your knees up and down. All of that is part of aiming a pistol. The 4 steps involved in aiming a pistol, we've talked about them before in our class. They're your stance, right?
Yes.
What else?
Your grip.
Your grip.
Your sight alignment.
Right.
And learning to live with your wobble.
Learning to live with your wobble. Now you mentioned something before we did this video about sight video.
Yes.
Now that's an interesting, I've never heard that before. Talk to me, because we always talk about sight picture. Hey, look, there's a picture, click.
But it doesn't look like that. You are a video camera. You're not a still image photographer in your brain. So you're seeing things live. So there can be movement. Now, with your sights, you would want that movement to be such that the front and rear sight stay together.
Okay.
Now, if you notice your movement is really off this way, that's going to cause a lot of misalignment of the sight with the target. Mm-hmm. You want to at least get yourself to where there's movement, but these are staying together.
So by sight video, I mean, if you've ever seen like a video camera pan and track, that's the kind of thing we want to think about. We understand the camera's moving, but it's moving consistently and steadily.
And then the other thing, once you get a little further along, and this has to do with sights, and that is, as the gun is recoiling, where did the sight lift from? That's your clue as to where the bullet went.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So let's take a quick little drill on showing about sight alignment, and we can show what Jeff is talking about. Let's do 2 of the demonstrations that Jeff talked about. The first is going to be a simple sight alignment drill. I'm going to take 4 shots. The first one, I'm going to move my sight up a little too high. The second one, it's going to be down a little bit too low. The third one, I'm over to the left. And the fourth one, I'm over to the right. And you can see the impact that's going to have on the target there. I'm going to be shooting at that paper plate. Let's do that. Okay, so my sights are aligned right now in the center of the target. I'm going to move it slightly up. Oh, look at that. Slightly down, to the left, and to the right. Pretty much what you expected, right? So now we're going to do a very simple sight alignment drill. Now this is just to get you used to the idea of the fact that your front sight's going to move. You're not going to have that rock steady shooting position. You need to stop thinking in terms of sight picture and start thinking of terms in sight video. This is called the wobble drill, and Tom Gibbons invented it. And it's a really good confidence builder to help you understand that if you keep your sights aligned, the shot's going to be there. Your sight picture may move a little bit because we're not made of stone and we don't stay in one place. But if you keep your sight alignment good, the shot's going to be there. Let's try this. Let's try this out. Okay, so I'm on target. Now I'm going to wobble a little bit. Just remember to think sight alignment and keep a good sight picture. It doesn't have to be a perfect sight picture. You're going to move. You're not made of stone. But keep those sights aligned, keep them on the target, and be ready for the shot when it happens. And make sure it's a smooth, consistent trigger press that you do. Not like, okay, the shot's on target, bam! You're going to jerk the trigger and you're going to miss. I'd like to thank Jeff Street once again for helping me with this. And as always, stay safe and we'll see you on the range.